Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to talk about the very own and old Kadha. Yes, Kadha पीना बहुत अच्छा है. It does build up our immunity. It is also very important during these tough times of COVID. But Kadha does not suit everybody. And what you should do if it doesn't suit you, मैं इसके बाद आपको बताऊंगी. But Kadha कैसे बनता है? Alright, ginger, कच्ची हल्दी, गुड़, मोटी इलायची, तुलसी, cinnamon, लौंग and black pepper. ये सारी चीजें हमारे लिए अच्छी हैं but in limits. You know, when you make kadha and you boil all of this together, it does not suit a lot of people. So what you should do is pick one a day. Like one day you only take haldi and boil haldi. Just have that haldi ka pani. Second day you only take ginger. All these ingredients I will mention below are excellent. जिनको kadha नहीं suit कर रहा है, this will give you same benefits of kadha. Try this trick one thing at a time. Take care of yourself till I come next.